What's up? What's up? Oh, I got the wrong monitor here. What are we doing? What the? There we go. There we go. Brutus is first. What's up, Big Brutus? Need some better new music. New lo-fi. I am streaming on off days because like I'm gonna be gone the next 2 days, so you won't see me till Sunday. Back to Zen Fisher. Oh god. Where are we on this game? Jesus. Thing you could be doing is more important than this game. Remember that? That is some straight up facts coming from Brutus. No, but you're right. I was talking to Dogma the other day, and like whole point of the channel, right, is to build hype around a game. That's the point of the channel. So I agree. So it's time to get some shit done. Piss? No way this kid enters the chat right when I say his name, dude. So, yeah. This is... We're into our animation shit here. This man has a microphone in my room. I'd believe it, dude. Somehow he snuck it in. Let's go to the animator. So, yeah, fucking hell. Look at all this shit, man. Parameters. I think it's time to just, like, fuck the triggers, dude. It's time to get rid of the triggers. Delete? Oh, I can't delete them all? Dude. Yes, I don't care. Can I really not delete multiple? Oh, that's gonna piss me off. We're gonna delete all these. Triggers are just a pain. Never using triggers again. Did you post your new video yet, dog? Or are you waiting for tomorrow? Dogman needs some views, dude. This guy needs some views right now. Tomorrow, weirdo? Dude, why you call me a weirdo? Time has a dark... Alright, all these videos are getting views. That's not a bad sign. You got any popping off for you? What's like your best top 3 videos last 7 days? This one's stagnating, dude. Ow. I don't get how your videos are stagnating. Oh, this one's up to 1.7. Ew, dude. Yeah, your views, man. What's going on there? Imagine they just stop pushing your channel when you get close to 10 mil. They don't want to monetize you, dude. Brutus enjoyed the Coat Hanger one. Coat Hanger was good. I'm not sure how that one didn't... It died. Died at like 12k views, right? Okay, we need to create some bools. I wish, dude, I really wish you could hook the animator up to like an enum. It's gotta be better. Facts from Dingers. What's up, Dingers? Ew, wait, your most viewed in last 48 hours only has 6k? Wait, what? Bro, what's happening? Piss platform, dude. That is a piss platform. Wait, I wanted to ask. It's we're breaking out ChatGPT early tonight. This is something I'm not as keen to. This animation shit. Is there a way to hook up an animation state to an enum state in InVid? Let's go, ChatGPT. Don't let me down. My heart hurts, dude. Come on, big brutes. You didn't like my calendar? A post. Dude, do I have to like it? Like, I looked at it. Come on. Good. Good, dog. Okay, what about other shit, dog? What else you got going on? That kid gonna give you some business? Yes. Oh, really? Wait, is this for reals? Okay, we have our enum state, yeah. Yeah, we have that. Oh, I get it. Holy shit. I was like, what is this doing? I think I get it. Hollow Age. Yo, where's Emmy Curry? Emmy Curry is like almost at 5 years. Supposed to like each one separately. This kid wants me to like his Discord post, his messages to me. Like, what? You don't get monetized in the next 3 weeks, blogging off the internet forever. Wait, you guys, I have something to show you actually. All of my shorts have been just completely dead after like 1 day, except this one is finally getting a little traction. Check it out. Oh, look at that traction, dude. We're getting some traction right there. Fucking 24 days. It started going up a little bit. That's how long it just sat doing absolutely fucking nothing, dude. I swear to God, this is what every short does. It spikes to like 2 to 3K, and then it just fucking sits there for like a month and then it starts doing stuff later again. I swear that's how it works. What was that on my home screen? I didn't even see. What was it? Let's look. Brutus is calling me out. What? What, me? I'm on my home screen. Oh, was it different? Oh, in the top right? Oh, yeah, I saw that. I saw that real quick. I don't know, dude. This is just what YouTube pushes to me now, dude. It knows I'm a 30-something-year-old dude. Fucking 30 million years old, dude. That's all they push to me. You should have made the thumbnails Sage with abs. Dude. Shut up. Never make me laugh like that again. You know why I'm laughing is because I considered it for a sec. I actually considered something like that shit. But you know that's the reason why I put Sage and not someone else. Everyone likes Sage. I have some theories to discuss, but you want to wait till I'm irritable? Okay, bring it on. We'll discuss. What's up, Gemini? What did Gemini... Oh, Gemini posted it in the chat today. Do you guys see this? This is actually genius. I'm gonna use this from now on. If the username is any of these, IGG Games, Codex, Reloaded, Skid Row, Tanoke, P2P, you just quit the application so they don't cheat. Someone tries to boot up your game and they're using like some fucking hacks and it uses one of these names, then it just quits on them. That's some strats right there. We're gonna talk about Fermi paradox. Oh, okay. Gemini, how's the coding going? What you working on? So, by the way, Gemini, I don't know if you were here at the beginning, but we're working on this right now. I just discovered something fucking sick about the animator controllers. We can create a state and set it as an integer according to our enum states, right? Because every enum state has an associated integer with it. 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can just create one variable in your animator, I think, instead of having like 18 fucking booleans. So we just call it current state. Yeah, this is what ChatGPT just learned me, dude. Okay, but now we have to change all these. So, I mean, I guess like it's a little clunky, but I think it's much better than the other option. It's a little clunky because we kind of need to know what these numbers are going to be. So we kind of have to like reference these. So anyways, oh, but we have more than just movement states, dude. Oh, that's a bitch. We deal with that. We're looking into layers. Oh god. Fuck. You might be right, actually. Normal state, int here, then on second layer have extra states. Can you transition between layers? Oh man, this is kind of gnarly. I feel like this is gonna be something we spend all night on. I'm scared. You can like blend them together, so yeah, you go from the walking to broadcast as like it blends layers. Alright, let's try creating a layer. I guess this does make it a little simpler. It's kind of nice. We when we go to this layer, we'll always go to rod charge, right? We'll never go straight to fishing. It's impossible. So we go rod charge, rod cast. Fishing. Yeah, this feels like the right solution. Wait. Does layers mean it's gonna run two animations at the same time? That can't be right, right? Let's see what ChatGPT can teach me. Oh, it plays them at the same time? And it mixes them together. Oh, I don't know if that's what I want. I mean, maybe. I'm trying to think. If I'm walking and fishing, well, say we're like fishing, it's right. It's just like a little fishing like this. And then I start walking. Do we want it to be the normal walking animation or the fishing as well? Like combined? Kind of seems weird. The example I saw it used on was a walking zombie who was doing a flinching animation every time it got hit. But did it keep walking when it flinched? Okay. I could see that. That makes sense. Yeah. I'm not sure if that's the right use case for me. Like, I don't know if I want to keep fishing while we do other things. Yeah, actually, you know what? I don't think that's what we want. Sorry. But that's cool. It's good to know. Because I already have all my individual animations, and I don't want to like blend. Actually, do I? I'm trying to think. God, it's huge. Trying to think like we were running around and then I started casting. Do I want it to be like shaking with the walking? Damn, maybe we do. Oh, I don't know. Okay, you know what? One new thing at a time. Let's just do the single layer for now. And let's do this int stuff. See how easy it is, and then we'll incorporate that. Although, but maybe the layers helps the problem with the whole like fishing state, you know? Shit. What's gonna happen? I mean, otherwise we have to say like, oh. We have a player unique move state. And we have a player fishing state. Get some coffee. All right. See you in a sec. Because, right, if we cast this to an int, I mean, we could add it. Nah, it's not going to work. We have to do some, like, bit shift crazy shit. I don't want to have to do that. I don't know. Actually, I feel like layers is the best way. We combine the two different animations. And then we use the int to set each one. All right, fuck it. Let's do it. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Let's just try out the base animations now. Let's see if this works. Damn, I wonder where Reagan is. Haven't seen Reagan in a little bit. Okay, let's try it out. Wait, what? It works. Why isn't it showing it in the animator though? Oh, is it because I don't have it highlighted probably? There we go. Yeah. Okay. All right, you guys, here we go. We're idling. I know you can't see it. Idling. We go immediately into walking. Sprinting. Jumping. Oh, it works fucking perfect. This is the way, you guys. This is so much better than what I was doing before. Oh my god. Okay. Now we just need to get the second layer working. That was incredibly easy. Oh my god. I can hook up animations in seconds now. Okay. So on this one, we're gonna make a. Oh, I should call this current move state. Is that gonna fuck up everything? Okay, it keeps track. Good. Let's call this current fishing state. Okay. So, yeah, the only thing I'm a little confused about is, yeah, I guess we exit. When do we exit? I suppose when it equals 0. When our fishing state equals 0, actually, yeah, this is perfect. That's when we're in fishing, current fish state equals none. Oh my god, if I can fucking two-line this shit in C#, this is nuts. This is a video. This is a YouTube video, bro. I'm writing this shit down. Super free video. We'll just call it like you're doing animation wrong. Easy. Okay. I don't think we need any of this. Okay, let's come back into here. So if our current fishing state equals rod cast, which is 2. And this one we do not gonna lie, dude. ChatGPT is just fucking nuts. The craziest resource. You just gotta not be over-reliant on it. Okay. Then the last thing that we need to do is we need to do like a blend tree. So that's, I don't really know. Blend, like. You have an additive and an override for blending. Do we want an additive for blending? God, how do we blend? That's what I was thinking, Gemini. Yeah, I'm trying to do additive right now, so that's what it sounds like. Do you know how do you transition between the two? Do I have to create a blend tree? do I, like, say, how do I go from any... Just enter this. If I exited, how do I re-enter? Yes, I don't know. What did this say? Oh, I don't know, maybe blend tree isn't what we want? Right, like, how does this entry? I would think it's just entry, like, it shouldn't matter. But when I click on this transition, there's no, I don't have any option to transition into the entry. To a Oh. Wait, what? You just make the fishing ones additive and give them the parameter for your fish. I mean, I'm doing, so I did that for this one, right? Like, so this transition, when it equals 2, right? Which is like, it's going to be my casting value. Then we go to casts, and then the same thing. When this is 3, we go to fishing. And then when this is 0, which means we're in the none state, we exit fishing. But how do I get back into rod charge? Like, I want to be like, when the state equals 1, transition back into rod charge. How's it gonna know that? Does it automatically go in back into this? No way, right? We exited. Any state to rod charge? Yeah, we could try that. Okay, let's try it out. It's all hooked up. Look at my animation controller now, dude. Solid 2 lines of code. Also, Gemini, I tested out this one, the current move state layer, which looks like this. Fucking works perfectly. It's just amazing. Everything was just perfect. Yeah, no, layer 1 worked like fucking spot on. It's actually nuts that you can just one-line it like that. Okay, let's go into fishing layer. Little confused what's going on. So I'm walking right now. It says we're charging the rod, but like... No, it's not working. Oh, whoops, sorry. It's current fishing state, not move state. let's try this again. Okay. It's like maybe I should do can't transition to self. Where is that option? Turn off can transition to self. Huh. Charging? We're casting. It didn't go. Disable this one? It needs to go somewhere, right? I think you have to have a initial state, right? I mean, I could create like a dummy state, like a none, so we never like actually exit, and then we just loop. That would be a pretty easy solution, but I don't feel like I'm not sure if that's like how it's supposed to be done. Seems kind of weird. This is definitely the right way to do this shit, so I kind of think we just create an empty state, dude. Like, no, how do I delete this? And then we can go from any state into rod charge. And then I think entry actually default state should be none. The default state is like we're not fishing. That's what happened on load. I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but this is a way. Let's try it. And I just need to change this. Oh yeah, this is 1. Okay, we're in the none state. We're charging rod. Okay. Why did it not transition? Is it the wrong value? Fishing state equals 2. Is 2 rod cast? Yeah. The fuck? Damn, layers are pretty cool though. Okay, hold on. So let's watch. Just watch the player state. None, charging, casting, fishing. Charging. Okay. What the fuck? It worked this time. I hate when this shit happens. Okay. Charging. Casting. Didn't work that time. I wasn't watching though. What happened? Charging. Casting. It didn't transition. And yet it was casting. The fuck? Oh, should we turn off these exit times? I bet that's why. This one's like really long. Okay. Charging. Hey. Cancel. Hey. Charging. Casting. Fishing. Canceled. Charging. Casting. Canceled. Ooh, that's a bug. This has to be able to transition to none. Actually, we should, instead of doing that, we should just do any state. Who wants to ban him? Bring down the ban hammer. Where are my mods at? Oh shit. Wait, what the? Why is it doing that? Oh. Maybe we should do like transition to self because it's annoying as shit. Now we can cancel at any point. Oh, what the? That's a weird bug. I can hold click, I can cancel with right click, and then I can release left click, and it throws my bob. I think that's just a... I think that's a coding error with the states. So that's kind of a weird one. Okay, the only problem is, you guys can't see this, but the animations aren't actually working for the charging stuff. So, it's like not actually doing the animations. Wait, what the? Index was out of bounds of the array. So why? We just do override and see like does it actually do this? Huh. For some reason my animations just aren't working. Checking the gear in the second layer, might be something in there. Oh, additive weight needs to be like 0.5. Oh, why is this 1? Can I make it... Can I make this 1 as well? Does that mean they're the same? Oh yeah, it seems like it's stronger... A stronger animation than usual if it's a 1 there. Maybe. What does this actually mean? Oh, this is so cool. Alright, let's do a little play testing. Do this for you guys. How do I make this shit like go into... Let's make a new layout. I'm about to make a new... I'm about to just be swapping through fucking layouts all the time. Okay, check this shit out. Is it blending them? I don't know. A little bit. Yeah, for sure. Okay. So, okay, our walk animation works, right? Our sprint animation works. Our jump animation works. There it is. So the jump animation could improve. We could improve this. The issue is if we jump and we're going like uphill, it doesn't really transition out of the sprinting. So I think, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how we're gonna handle that. A little bit weird. Anyways, it's working. Okay, so now let's try some fishing. Okay, so if we sit here, that works. Now let's try walking. it does in fact switch into the walking, but it's hard to tell with the fishing if it's also fishing. So let's try walking and charging. Oh, look at that shit, dude. Yes! Oh my god, this is sick. This is the way. Bro, how come I just like learn something crazy every day, dude? Like I'm never gonna be a good game dev at this rate, man. That is so cool, dude. This is so cool. Like, dude. You know what's also cool is it's blending when I'm fishing. Check this out. When I'm fishing, it's blending my idle and my fishing um animations. Oh fuck, I keep catching it so fast. And it's like yeah, you can't really tell, but it's like it's kind of like swaying in like different ways, like almost random looking. I think it adds to it for sure. It's a better, like, look at this, it's like swaying up and down a little bit in like different, it looks like more like a random idle. So I kind of like that. Yo, Prosh, what's up, dude? Prosh, you're the first YouTube chatter of the night. Congratulations. Okay, this is cool, man. Man, it's crazy that this is all the coding I had to do. I don't even need clip info anymore. We'll keep though. Eesh. Okay. Wow. Rod needs to come back further when casting. I think actually, okay. Let me check something. So if we're right here and we do it, so you think further than that? Because I think one of the issues, at least, is that the here. Okay, now let me cast when I'm moving. See, it doesn't go back as far when I'm moving. And I think that might be the weight. See how it's like above the screen. Like you can see it's above the screen. But then if I'm walking, it doesn't really get above the screen. Have I ever fished? Yeah, you're right. That shit goes way back, huh? Okay. Okay. How do I do this? Ugh, I hate having different sized monitors, man. let's go. Let's dive into the cast animation real quick. Oh wait, sorry. The charge animation. Kind of like smooth all the way back, right? Like there's any stages. How long do you think it takes to to get to max reach charge angle? It's much less than a second. It's like maybe a little longer than half a second. I'm gonna say 3/4 of a second. Okay. Now let's move it. I think it needs to come up on. Oh, this is weird. Why does it go that direction? Oh, that's rotation, derp. I think I need to come way up like this, and then it's already coming out a lot. Rotate this. Like that. Oh no, what did I just do? Oh, I wasn't recording? Fucking fuck, dude. God, I hate animating. Okay. Have a fish caught just be a percent chance per location, or you could make them regional within the body of water. The first method makes casting mean a lot less than the latter. Oh, what, like you're talking about like different styles of fishing? Like okay. What about that? Slow? Is that too slow? I think it's not too slow just because of the charging meter. I might make the charging meter go a little faster, but Okay, now I just want to create like a slight, very slow pullback. Like we keep going just a little bit. So we're gonna keep going out. Oh, it's way too much. Okay, let's try that. Okay, kind of like moves too much instead of like rotating. It's moving way too much in Z. I like it. Maybe it might be just like a little too much rotation. Man, I still feel like it just moves too much in X. There we go. Okay, cool. Okay, so then I'm going to take this state and we're going to go into broadcast, and then we have to change this value here to do that. I feel like this maybe needs to go out more. Ah. That'll work. A little recoil now. You like that? I like that. Save. Alright, let's try playing it. I feel like it doesn't look the same. Why is it so much lower? What? Oh, dude. It's because I was making it in free aspect ratio, so my field of view is bigger. Bro, that is ass. Wait, is it? No way that's right. It looks totally different. Like, I don't get it. It looks totally different right now. What? Why does this look different than what I was just looking at? Oh, could it be the weight? Dude, the weight's not it. I want the weight to be 1. You want the weight to be 1 if you want it to look like what you actually make. Oh, it's so weird. Why does it do that? Go back into Rodcast. And it's not, this is just not even close to the same value that we were just seeing. Like, what? What? I don't get it, guys. Look. This is what my Rodcast animation looks like in here. It's probably, yeah, some blending shit, dude. I don't get it. Hmm. Yeah, it's pretty frustrating. You know, I also realized though, in the animator, I don't think I want this transition to be dictated by the state. I think it just transitions when it's done. Well, I don't know. That's kind of a tough one. Do I just need to make the rodcast like long enough so that it can always last the entire length until the bob hits the... We don't want to like start fishing when the bob's still in the air. So yeah, this might be one of those where we have to like have really long extended animation again. Yeah, I think I know what to do. Let's do this first real quick. Damn. Yeah, that blending shit is a little annoying then. If that's what's happening. We'll see. I'm gonna play around with that in a sec. But okay, let's make this all the way out at like 4 seconds. Um, so it's just gonna kind of keep rising up a little bit. Just something really subtle, just so it's still moving. Okay, save that. Now let's try something. So I'm confused how what the weights mean because okay, I'm just sitting here. We're an idle, right? Idle's not doing very much. Like it's barely moving the rod. This animation looks good. That goes. Why does it go all the way like so far down? And I'm just idling. So then what if I go in the animator and I switch the... I switch to override. Okay, now it's back to normal. Interesting. But if I'm like fucking sprinting around and I do this now, it's not jiggling up and down with the run, so it doesn't work. So that's pretty annoying. The thing that I don't really get is like, why should I make the first one override? What happens if I make the first one override and the second one additive? It still does the second one. I don't get that. I just did the first movement layer is override right now, but it's still doing the second layer of animation. Weird. Why does Rod Cast seem to behave differently? The weight right now is 1 on the second layer. So if I try to do 0.5, the issue is now my pullback animation, the charge, it doesn't go nearly as far as it used to, right? Like they're weighted differently. Like the two, I don't know. It's pretty strange. It's pretty annoying. I feel like something's wrong. I have to go to the bathroom real quick. Oh. Weird. Damn. Yeah, it's pretty frustrating, dude. Sync? Definitely don't do sync. Don't know what that means. Yeah, I think it's weird that when I do override, the cast state doesn't, like, the cast state is affected, but the charge state is not, at least as far as I can tell. See if anything gets turned up. We search for this. Animation strengths. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Hold up, wait, let me try something. If I set over... Let's compare this. So you can see right here. Yo, Maverick, what's up, dude? Okay, if I pull this back, you can see the very, like, base of the rod, right? And you can see this darker vertice just above. Now let's go into the actual animation and look. Is it different than that? Maverick, dude, we're making fishing animations. Like, it looks identical. And then you go to rod cast. And it's just totally different. Well, we hit a brick wall. So there's a little problem, and I just don't really understand it at all. Pretty rough. I mean, we could just tweak the animation to work. Like, we could force it to work, but it doesn't feel great. I think what I'm going to do for now is I'm just going to move on from this problem, because, like, I could force it to work if it came to that. Like, if I needed to publish and I didn't understand how to do it, I could force it to work as, like, a last pass by just doing it the right amount and then setting the weight to a static value. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set the second layer to override. I think if we set both layers to override, then it just doesn't do it. Yeah, okay, so it just does it now. Steam Manager thing is wild. I deleted it from my scene, but if any of my code tries to using Steamworks, it recreates itself on the fly. Oh shit, that's crazy. Maverick, dude, what are you up to tonight? Okay, well, you know what? I'm pretty happy with this. Like, we'll just go with this for now. Looks just fine. Alright, let's just do one more check. So if I make the base movement layer additive... Wait, what? Why does it say that? I gotta watch my errors. Okay, yeah, it doesn't work. I have to have the fishing layer set to additive, I guess. Okay. Oh, I also wanna commit this thing. Committed in a while. Oh god, dude. I think this folder is like gigabytes big, dude. I have so many assets in here. Play some Fortnite. Nice. Playing some ranked. What rank are you right now? Oh, this is scary, dude. This is scary. Okay, we're coming back to this. Plat 3, nice. That's pretty solid. What's after Diamond? I'm gonna push this when I go to bed. I don't want to push it right now. Probably fucking kill my stream. Elite, Champion, and Unreal. Holy shit, that's so many divisions. What the fuck? Yo, what should I do next? Okay, I'm done with animations, dude. Fuck animations. I'm done with it. I don't want to do this shit no more. We got it working good enough. Oh, you got up to champion? Damn. Bro, sometimes I always want to grind out Fortnite again, but then I realize that I hate that game. I'm just dog shit at it now. That's why I hate it. Okay. What next? That's a huge question. Dude, I don't know what to do. A bit overwhelming. Hey, Gemini, level 39. Well, like the things that I need to do are really boring. I need to fix my fish scriptable objects because they're coded really badly. Oh, wait, should we try to do the string? That would be a fun thing. The string between the rod and the bob. God, yeah, I just need to do some code cleanup, man. It's pretty ass. I mean, to be honest with you guys, like yeah, there's so much to do. I don't know where to start. It's kind of like we have to take a massive step back and just like think about the game. Mine's a mess. Everything works. Yeah. Well, it's not even like to me it's like not even I don't need to refactor my code. Like it's fine. I do need to do a few minor refactors, I would call them. But it's more like what is the game gonna look like? Like I'm trying to envision the final state of the game and I'm having a really hard time. And every time I think about anything, it's just like really overwhelming. I think to be honest, like I kind of want to start a bit with the UI, like rework the UI and just be like, this is what we're gonna have in the game. Wait, you got the 50k points, Maverick? What the fuck? Dude, that's insane. And that's not Unreal? Oh wait, that was before ranked, huh? Okay. Right, like let's open up okay, first of all, if we're gonna be working on this game, we are going to put this in quick access. Right up here at the top. Right, okay, I mean, like, this is like our collection log. When you're getting a PhD, did you ever get burned out? Yeah, I did. That's when I started playing Fortnite. That's when I got burned out. It was like, luckily it was like towards the end. It was like year 4 probably. Like probably in halfway through my 4th year, I got pretty burned out. But yeah, I was like I don't even, people don't believe me, but like I was working 16-hour days like every day. It was just I didn't have a girlfriend. I didn't have any hobbies. I went in the morning and I got home at night and I went to sleep. It's like that's all I did every day for 3.5 years or so. Fucking gives me nightmares, dude. Thinking about it. I just kind of got lost in it though. Like I can't say I was miserable. It was just I was in a state of mind where it was like it was like all I was doing and I was like obsessed with it. And I wanted what I was working on, like I wanted to work. And I kind of got like obsessed with it. And it wasn't working. It was really hard to make work. So yeah, and then like one day I finally got to a point where it was like I hit a point where it was like, okay, like I finally like broke through a little bit. And it was like it became clear to me that I was going to be able to publish. And it was like the moment when I realized like I kind of had my ticket out and like I was able to escape, that's when the burnout set in. And it's kind of funny because then like I was sitting on all these results and I was ready to do them. But because I was so burned out, it took me like a year and a half to like even write them up and publish them and everything. I ended up writing 3 papers. But it took me like I had all the data basically after 3.5 years, but it took me like another 2 years to write up all the results and like do all the things I needed to do to get them published. And then I just fucking come home and play Fortnite. Instead of doing all that shit. It'd be easy to just yeah. I was like, dude, I always remember you guys watch Tiger King? There's a quote that stuck out to me in that series that was like it was one of the dudes who was like taking care of the animals and he was like it's easy to work he said like pretty much quote it's easy to work 16 hours a day if that's all you care about. Like it's true. It's actually not hard to work 16 hours a day if you're doing something that, and it doesn't have to be like, oh, I fucking love this. Like, oh my God, like I love to do this shit. No, that's not what I'm talking about. It's just, it's all you care about at the moment in your life. That's all you care about. And that's like what you are and what defines you. It's like not actually that hard. And I wouldn't say I was like miserable. Like it didn't feel miserable to work that long. But it was just a state of mind. And then all of a sudden I broke out of it one day and I was like, dude, this is fucked. Not healthy. Is that why you seem a bit afraid to play games again? I mean, yeah. It's that combined with my competitiveness. I've like I've always been extremely competitive. Like I played a lot of sports growing up, and I was like very competitive in sports. And I don't think I ever got competitive in gaming until I found Fortnite, and I became like really competitive over it because I wasn't doing anything competitive in my life, and it like that like came into it with the fun of just gaming in general. It was like a perfect recipe for me, and it was like all I wanted to do with all my free time. I just wanted to get better. And it was also fun. So yeah, I get scared to play big competitive games. Yeah, I don't want to start again because I know where I can end up. I'm totally chill and fine playing like casual games. Like the reason I haven't booted up Arc yet isn't because I'm scared to play or I don't want to play. It's just because I've been really busy. Like I will play Arc in those types of games, but like playing like Valorant or Fortnite and shit, like yeah, like part of me is like scared. Like I don't want to start playing that game like that again. As a competitive person, I play two sports for my high school and I play comp in Fortnite. Oh wait, you play competitive Fortnite for your school, Maverick? Oh wait, oh sorry, you're just saying you play competitive in Fortnite. I thought you meant there was like a school team. I was like, what? Art can be competitive? Oh shit. These aren't ladders? Yeah, I guess, I guess. The ladders are what get me. I like being able to measure my success. Yeah, I'm more fine with that. It can be a really deep, complex game. And like it's like, oh, if it's about like getting your character better, like that won't affect me as much as like a competitive, like ranked ladder game. Brutus breaking up into the top 10. Yeah, you guys, I don't know. I feel like I'm a little bit in the zone of like I need to like go to the design document in this game. I mean, we could do that right now. I mean, it's probably what I should do for the UI, honestly, because like I don't know what the UI is going to show. Also, you guys, it's not very much, but I kind of want to show you. It's not even the video included. I didn't do the video yet. I just did audio, but I kind of want to show you guys the first 20 seconds of the 24-hour video. You ready? This is how we're going to start it off. You guys ready? This little teaser for you. No, I'm not doing that. Because all those videos are fake. I mean, think about it. There's no real proof. They just make it in a week and they say they did it in a day. So no, I will not be making a game in 24 hours. I'm gonna make a game during a 24-hour live stream instead. So if you know who I am, and I mean, why wouldn't you? Because I regularly stream to an average of 3.4 viewers on Twitch. Alright, that's a teaser. I'm starting to put this shit together. W intro, you like it? Alright, it's gonna be a banger, dude. Oh, I'm putting so much effort into this video. It's so hard to make. It's like 10 times harder than any video I've ever made. Oh. What I ended up doing for this video, which like I seriously think I had to, is I wrote an entire script. Because if I tried to just wing that shit and just like do it as I was going, like it would have been awful. I wrote literally an entire script for it. So I got that part done, and then I have like all my ideas of like the clips I'm gonna play with it. So now I just have to make the video. It's still gonna be a little bit though. It's gonna be a while. You should have a script for every video. That's the way I've been leaning lately. It's like whenever I try to wing it, it doesn't quite come out as good, and like it almost just takes me just as long because then I have to like keep repeating my takes with my voiceover because like I can't just fucking improvise and say all the right things. Yeah, true. Yeah, use it as guideline. Yeah, and that's the thing is like I wrote the script and then like as I was like talking through it, recording some of the audio, is like I realized like some of the things I wrote were like stupid. So yeah, then you can change it, and then also writing the whole script gives you like kind of an idea of how long the whole video is going to be. So then like I wrote the whole story of like how I wanted it to be, and then I realized it was like too long because I timed my I know this is a horrible thing that you find out about yourself and about just like regular speech, but if you do enough videos, you find out how many words per minute you can say. I know that personally, I can talk between 150 and 200 words per minute, and it sounds okay. 200 sounds really fast, 150 sounds a little slow. So for a video like this, I should be targeting like 170 to 180 words per minute in terms of my speech. So then I could like time the video using that. And when I wrote the script, it was like 1,800 words at first, which was like, I was like, that's too long. So then I cut some shit out. And then I cut it down to 1,500 words. And then I recorded all the audio today, and all the audio came out to be like 8 minutes. So I was like fucking dead on. The more you do this shit, the more you kind of like get a feel and a sense for how to like build a video from scratch. It's not easy, dude. Not fucking easy. All right, let's open up Zen Fisher GDD. Let's make a UI tab. It's too formulaic, but I mean, you're not wrong. It's like, it's just a guideline, I guess. Yeah, it's more of like a general. It can get a good sense of like I kind of want it to be. I didn't want it to be longer than 10 minutes, you know. And when I wrote up the script at first, it was like clear it was going to be much longer than 10 minutes. So it was like a guideline of like, oh, I need to cut out something. So then I cut some shit out. I think, yeah, now that I, like, writing the script was really hard. But now that I have it and it's worked out, like, I think things are just gonna cruise along pretty well. That shit took a while. Okay, we need to think of UI. UI. Game scene. Right. Collection log. Settings menu. first thing we need to figure out is how does the settings menu interact with the collection log? Like, the collection log is the most important thing in the game, UI-wise. But usually when you press like escape, you go into like a settings menu, right? Minimap, true. Yeah, we'll definitely need a minimap. GD Trello works good for GDD. How do you? It does, but sometimes I just kind of like the plain document, you know? Oh, I know what you're saying. I'm sticking with the document in this case. I love Trello, Brutus. You might love it slightly more than me. I think I like paragraphs and being able to read them on the page. Are you okay? You weren't being serious? Oh god. Can't tell if you were being serious or not, to be honest. You use it for GDDs? Yeah, you could do it, I guess. Nah, yeah, I like the paragraphs in the document. Collection log, okay. So we're gonna have like a main... Yeah, we're just gonna have to totally rework how this shit works. Like, it's just gonna be totally different. We're working from scratch here. Like, this is what we have right now. But I'm thinking we need something way more modular. So let's say things to display for fish. Type, rarity, total, collected. But should the collection log also serve as like a an info tab for each fish, you know? Like, I think it should in some way. Masterboard of all the headers, click a link for each one. Yeah, that could work. I could see it. Maybe I'll try it. Maybe I'll try it. Let's see how it works in Trello. Actually, the more I'm thinking about it, the more it might work pretty well. Plus, do I even have a Trello for... Oh, I called it Fishing Odyssey. Ew. Also, can I get a better background than this? How do you guys just do like normal backgrounds, bro? Colors, thank you. Nice blue color. There we go. Three, 3, 3. Wait. What do you mean? How do you do that? Where's custom? Oh. Wait. Custom. Oh, you mean it? What is... It's 333. Oh, it's just like a dark, yeah. What is the percentage on that? I was like 50. What am I doing, bro? We have Photoshop. Okay, we'll try that. Alright, Brutus is the fucking Trello master here. So say I want a UI board. Oh, this is my problem. Wait, don't I need to make a workspace? Because I make all these games are boards. Yeah, okay, let's make a new workspace. See, this is how I divvied it up before. I'm an idiot. Okay, let's call this main board. No, stop. Okay, and then let's go back. Let's create a new board called UI.